Okay, well, that is a pin out of a bulldozer. It's 3 inches in diameter, it's hardened steel, and my intent is to turn this into a tapered point for a Bale spear. And I'm hoping it's long enough that I can also taper the other end and put threads on it to make one of those screw type wood splitters. Well, here I go. So I'm doing a cleaning pass here, and again this is hardened steel. It's a pin from a bulldozer, and I'm using a tungsten bit, and it's doing a beautiful job. The little shards of steel that it makes are really tough. Normally that would bend really easily, but it doesn't. That is very tough stuff. Quite unusual. It'll make a nice point. So, I've made most of my pieces, and so now I'm going to, they're all cut to size, so I'll just ease the corners on them so they're all nice to work with, and I'll start welding them together. Okay, well, here's some of my parts. I'm just laying out for the locations of the different bits, and then down here I've made a jig. So I've laid out lines for where the lower pins are going to go, and I made a jig, and you line up the lines in the jig. The hole in the jig is 1 inch bigger than the actual pipe that's going to go in there, and so that the 1 inch plasma cutter cuts the right size hole. Okay, well, I've got a few things put together, and I've ground out all the places where it's going to attach so that I'll get a nice clean weld in every case. Okay, well, that's my Bale spear. It's done. It's not painted yet, but it will be. It's got 2 bottom stabilizing spears, I suppose, and a large main spear. The main spear might be a little bit too big. It's 2 3/8 in diameter, so I don't know if that's going to work or not, but anyway, it's got a solid point on it that I turned from hardened steel, and the pipe, it's the 2 3/8 pipe outside diameter is very thick wall, and it won't bend. The intent, maybe you can see the 45-degree I don't know, down pipe, I suppose. That's so that I can take the spear out. The bottom spears are removable as well, and use it as a post hole maker. Or that's my intent. So I'll take it out of there, put it down here, and push it into the ground with my bobcat. Or my tractor, it has the same quick attach setup. And once I get the hole made, so push it into the ground, once I get the hole made, I don't know if you can see the round thing on the bottom there. And that's just a cup so that I can position the post and push it down into the ground with the weight of the tractor. Well, that's it. Bye for now.